there, Clara here. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to a beautiful technique called Crochet Broomstick Lace Stitch. I've been diving into it myself and I can't wait to learn it together with you. If you're ready to dive into this amazing stitch, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Here we're going to start with a multiple of 5 plus 1. So let's say you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you count 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you continue like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here I have 25 chains, and then I'm going to chain 1, turn my work, skip 1, and in the next one I'm going to do single crochet. So I'm going to make single crochet in each stitch until the end. I'm using here this Susan Bates 25mm knitting hook, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull up a long loop and put it right onto the hook. And now I'm gonna pull that and adjust it to the size of the hook. And what I'm gonna do now is go to the next stitch and insert your hook right under both loops. And I'm gonna yarn over, pull through, and now I'm gonna pull up a long loop and just put it on the hook like so. Now just gonna pull that and adjust it, tie it on a little bit so it is the same size as the other one. Now let's go to the next one and do the same. Yarn over, pull through, and now you're gonna pull a long loop. Let's continue like that until the end, and I'll meet you guys right at the end. Now that you get to this point, just move your yarn to the back like so. And now just remove the first 5 loops from the hook. Now we're gonna yarn over, pull through all the 5 loops, and make a chain. Now let's open up like so, and let's make 5 single crochets into this hole. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now that we've finished with the 5 single crochets, we're gonna go ahead and remove the next 5 loops. Let's move them to the edge. Let's remove them from the knitting hook. And let's repeat the same process. So we're going to yarn over, pull through all the 5 loops, pull through the 6th loop, and then chain 1. Let's open up those loops like so, and let's make 5 single crochets into that hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's continue with the 5 next loops. Let's remove them from the knitting hook. 3, 4, 5. Now I yarn over, pull through the last loop, make a chain, and I make 5 single crochets into that hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we go ahead and remove the next 5 loops from the knitting hook. And let's do the same. Yarn over, pull through the last loop, chain 1, and let's make 5 single crochets into that hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, and remove them from the knitting hook, yarn over, pull through the last loop, chain 1, and 5 single crochets into that hole. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we have our first row. Now we're gonna go to the next one. The last loop in our hook, we're gonna just pull up a long loop, insert it into the knitting hook and adjust it, and repeat exactly the same process, but now we're gonna insert our hook right here, yarn over, pull through, and pull up a long loop again. Doesn't matter how long, the longest the better, I think, because it's gonna help you to put it into the knitting hook easily. Let's continue with the next stitch and let's repeat the same process again. You continue all the way until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video and remember to subscribe for more exciting and cute projects ahead.